This is the accident I had on Friday night, 6th of June 2020. Coming home from work, 4 o'clock-ish. I turn right just up here into Pentecost Avenue. It's not my normal route home. But as I was approaching the lights, you'll see the traffic on the right-hand lane there was actually waiting to turn right at the lights. I start to filter across. I come into the middle lane and then go into the right lane. Now I am actually indicating every line change here. I don't normally turn right here, but you'll see the lights are green, that green arrow on the right lane there. The guy in this four-wheel drive there is a bit slow to take off. He's actually on his phone. I indicate, filter right. Traffic's a bit slow to clear the junction here, so I give him a bit of room. The lights go to amber, but this guy behind me is almost up my back end there, mounting the curb, so I shoot through the lights. He comes through on red. Locks his wheels up there. There's this big screech. You can see him getting angry, gesticulating there for me to pull over. The woman in front in this car, in this Toyota, actually gave a statement against this guy. She thought he was still chasing her. He'd been giving her a bit of grief. When he gets to chance here, double white lines, he pulls out to overtake. There's no way he can overtake legally there. There's no room, so he slams into the side of the bike. Now, he did it quite intentionally. He told the coppers I swerved into him, believe it or not. When this went to court, he was fined $1,000. He was banned from driving for 12 months and on a 2-year good behaviour bond, and he escaped going to jail by the skin of his teeth. He's very lucky. I ended up having a shoulder reconstruction which failed, and then a full shoulder replacement surgery after that. 6 months off work, and still paying the price now.